Adding Dasher's direct virtual card to Apple Pay is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can add Dasher's direct virtual card to Apple Pay. The process is pretty simple. For that, you need to follow these instructions. First things first, this is how your Dasher's direct card will look like. Here, just in case, if you can see a button which should look something like that, add to Apple Wallet, which may be appearing in some of the cases. Just tap on that button and your card will be added to Apple Pay. However, if that is not the case, you just have to come to your virtual card page and then tap on the card. After tapping on the card, you'll be able to find all the details of your card, including your card number, expiry, and CVV. Just get those details, open up your Apple Wallet app. In your Apple Wallet app, you just have to tap on this plus icon and these two options will pop up. Now here you just have to tap on this debit or credit card, and after tapping on that, they will want you to put your card. You just have to select you want to enter the details manually, then enter your details manually. Now enter your card number, expiry and CVV, and there you go. Your card will be added to Apple Pay, which you can use afterwards. Hope you guys find this video helpful.